it has
You,
ever been.
मैं आपको 2 मिनट के लिए रोक रही हूँ because Dr. Nikhil Anand, who's a spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, is joining us on the phone line. Dr. Anand, do you think ये एक deliberate, tactful strategy है नीतीश कुमार की, जहां पे वो बोलना तो चाहते हैं अपने लीडर्स के थ्रू कि हम एक पीएम मटेरियल है? क्या ये बीजेपी के लिए एक सिग्नल है that despite being an alliance, बीजेपी cannot become bigger than JDU?
There is no comparison. First of all, BJP is a national party, and BJP is a party which is democratic to the core, and no other party can be compared to BJP. Our style of functioning, our organizational hierarchy, and the kind of size and the cadre from Kashmir to Kanyakumari everywhere, we have a different party. Nobody knows who can become the president, who can become the chief minister. So everything, there is a democratic process. See, there are parties in India which is led by some self-obsessed leaders. There are parties in India which are
you including
parties.
JDU in that? Are you including JDU in that?
No, it is up to you to decide, because people watching, and we are a party of the masses, and any party which is proclaiming about their leader that they can become chief minister or prime minister, it is we see that it is a aspiration of the party cadres, party organizational leaders, and everybody wants to keep their leader in good humor. So it's just that. And whatever political resolution that has been passed by the JDU during National Executive Meet is simply the work, it is the internal matter of the JDU. It is up to them to decide what are the political resolution.
But Anandji, you know, many of the issues are going against the BJP. For example, the Pegasus issue, for example, the caste-based census are issues that the JDU has decided to pick up and drag, which clearly is in complete contrast to what its own ally in NDA, the BJP, stands for.
No, just like NDA has a different culture. NDA is a long-standing political alliance. So just by passing a statement, that will not hurt our collective ethos and essence of the alliance. It is simply some party leaders expresses their viewpoint and some aspirations. That is just it is the internal matter of the JDU.
But Dr. Nikhil Anand, do you think that Nitish Kumar has all the qualities of being called a prime ministerial material in our country?
It is for the masses to decide. Narendra Modi ji has been chosen the chief minister of Gujarat several times. He has been chosen the prime minister of this country by the masses of this country, people, by the citizens of this country. It is not one or two leaders can proclaim and decide that.
Do you think Nitish Kumar can challenge Prime Minister Modi? Do you think Nitish Kumar can challenge Narendra Modi in 2024?
See, there should be a vacancy that anyone becomes applicant. There is no vacancy, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi is working to make our country Vishwaguru, and we have been going through this process of sustainable development under his leadership.
So basically what you are saying that anyone can be a candidate, but the Prime Minister Modi is the one who is...
There is no comparison to any leader. Nobody can stand by Narendra Modi ji.
Very interesting, very interesting. So Dr. Nikhil Anand of the BJP says that there is no comparison. There is no one who can stand up in front of Narendra Modi, and also he's terming them as obsessive leaders. So clearly, Professor Jha and Mr. Abhay Kumar, we know where that signal really went. But with that, we really have to wrap it at this. Thank you so much, Dr. Anand, Professor Jha and Mr. Abhay Kumar for joining us. So this